Hi, my name is Adriana Malgoza, and I'm the principal at Sultana Sports and Science Academy. Once again, we're having an amazing parent engagement event where we have our family picnic. Families come out, they have lunch with their children, they even get to play sports out on the field. It's so much fun, and I just want to say thank you to the amazing Sultana community. Once again, we had an amazing year, all due to your support and love.
And one thing that I really enjoy about this school is how they really try to bring the families together and have us interact with our children. And you know, they're very attentive to the parents, not only the children but the parents as well. You know, so whenever they do events like this, it's really good that, you know, it brings all the families together and everybody's out here and having a good time. You know, the kids are having a good time. We get to know their friends and know their parents and all that sorts of stuff. So it's really great that this school has always done this. You know, I came to this school when I was a kid, so my brothers came, now my son's here. So Sultana Elementary, you know, we really appreciate everything that you guys do for the kids, the community, and the parents as well.